To get American Express early access to pre-sale tickets, you need to have an American Express card. This program is designed to provide card members with exclusive access to tickets for various events, including concerts, sports, and theater productions, before they go on sale to the general public. First, you need to be an American Express card member, which includes cards like the American Express Gold Card, Platinum Card, or Blue Cash Card. If you are not a card member, you can apply for a card on the American Express website. Once you have your American Express card, you can access the American Express Early Access program through the American Express website or mobile app. You will need to log into your account and navigate to the entertainment section, where you will find a list of available pre-sale events. To get pre-sale tickets, you need to act quickly. As tickets are limited and can sell out fast, you can set up notifications on the American Express website or mobile app to alert you when pre-sale tickets become available for events you are interested in. When purchasing pre-sale tickets, you will need to use your American Express card to complete the transaction. You can purchase tickets online or through the mobile app, and you will receive a confirmation email with your ticket details once the purchase is complete. It is essential to note that American Express Early Access is subject to availability, and tickets are not guaranteed. However, being an American Express card member can significantly increase your chances of getting tickets to popular events. In addition to getting pre-sale tickets, American Express card members can also take advantage of other exclusive benefits, including ticket packages, VIP experiences, and event access. These benefits can enhance your overall event experience and provide a unique perspective on the event. To maximize your chances of getting American Express pre-sale tickets, make sure to regularly check the American Express website or mobile app for available events. Set up notifications, and act quickly when tickets become available. By following these steps and being prepared, you can take advantage of American Express Early Access and get tickets to your favorite events before they sell out.